Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the Vidvie BT818 true wireless headphones. I checked all over YouTube and couldn't find a review or an unboxing on it, so I decided to make my own. Enjoy. It has a colorful box splashed with black and orange. A quick look at the back of the box, we have quite a detailed list of its features and basic controls. The features that catches my eyes the most are the stereo sound capabilities and the sweatproof design. I'm really digging the interior design. It's well crafted and there's beauty in its simplicity. Going deeper into the box, we have the charging case, which looks like a capsule, and two pairs of earbuds. We have a little booklet and a standard USB. This will probably be a bummer to most people out there who are getting used to USB Type-C. I'm always lucky with the default earbuds that come with the headphones. They always tend to fit me really well, so I never really changed mine. But then some people prefer the smaller size, while some others prefer the large one. It's all down to preference. The wireless headphones really feel small and don't look like they'll weigh down my ears, hopefully anyway. I'll get back with my review as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Peace.